aviondemand.com. Automotive training you can receive anywhere, anytime. Your online training starts here.
So, just how close, I said this wasn't going to probably happen in your lifetime, but just how close are we to vehicles being able to do some things? You've probably seen all kinds of news. The news media loves to blow this up because that's what they do, is blow things up. So this is Boston Dynamics. So this dog, what this scientist is doing is he's actually impeding its ability to do things, and he's going to make it so that it can't actually complete its mission. But what you're going to see is that this thing is on point. So are we there with cars? Well, I'm going to show you. This is a garden variety Ford Fusion Energy. It's actually a few years old. This is not a new vehicle. Get out of the car, you launch a little app, and you say, hey, car, go park yourself. I don't have time to bother with it. The car takes off all by itself, and it finds a parking spot, and within about 2 or 3 millimeters, and do its thing. This is coming out on vehicles in 2020. You will actually see this on some Asian brands, and you'll be able to buy a car with the ability to go park itself. So when you're ready to leave, you just summon the vehicle and it goes to where you are using your presumably accurate GPS. You might have to go wave your car down. Ah, wait, I'm over here. But so this is the Uber of the future as far as parking goes.
Thanks for watching this video presentation. If you'd like some more training, just go to aviondemand.com or go to one of our social sites. That's all the time for now. I'm Steve. I'll see you later.